Next, I extract numerical values inside these two donut charts. These numerical values will show the percentage of units sold in each year. First, select these two donut charts. Increase the all size up to 80. Then select this donut chart. Increase the all size up to 80. After that, click on Insert. Then click on Text box. Draw this text box at this position. In this text box, type year. Then select all. Click on Center. Then click on Middle. Change the text color white. Then format this shape. Select no fill and no outline. After the year, insert this symbol. Resize. Then drag and drop at this position. Copy this text box and paste here. In this text box, type 2018, resize, remove this symbol. Then press Ctrl key and select this text box. Click on top or bottom alignment to place these two text boxes in the same directions. Click on Align bottom. First, I need to keep size of these two text boxes same. Select this text box. The size of this text box is 0.2 and 0.57. Then select this text box. Decrease the height 0.2 and decrease the width 0.57. Then press Ctrl key and select this text box. Click on top alignment. Now I can see these two text boxes are in the same position. Again select these two text boxes. Press mouse and drag from right to left. Next I add here another text box. In this text box I extract percentage numerical values. Copy any text box and place here. Enter the formula inside this text box. Click in formula bar, enter equal sign. Then select this sheet. For 2018, select this percentage value, press enter key. Then select all. Format this text. Select white color. Increase the text size up to 24. Then click on bold. Resize. Then place at this position. Then select this sheet. I want to check the size of this text box. When the value of percentage is 100%, this symbol value will display in the text box or not. Active pivot table. Click on select field list, or I can use slicer. Click on years, select 2018, so I see here when the value is 100%, the percentage symbol is visible. Clear the slicer. Paste the same text box in this donut chart. Press Ctrl key. Then click on copy and paste. Press mouse and drag from left to right. Type here 2019. Then select this text box. Change the formula inside this text box. Select this sheet. Then select this cell reference. Press Enter key. Then use Format Painter to format this text box. First, activate this text box. Click on Format Painter. Then click on this text box. Next, I add here two text box. In these text box, I show number of units sold. Select these two text box. Click on copy and paste. Press mouse and place at this position. Then select this text box. Inside this text box, type quantity. Resize this text box. Click on Shape Format. Keep the same size of this text box. Keep only height of these two text box same. The height of this text box is 0.2. Then select this text box. Decrease the height up to 0.2. Then select this text box. Enter the formula inside this text box. But first I make changes inside this sheet. I cannot directly extract a value from the pivot table to text box. I can extract pivot table values in the cell reference, but I cannot do in the text box. So I create here the cell references in these range. Enter equal sign, select this cell reference, press Enter key, paste here. Then enter equal sign, select this cell reference, press Enter key, paste here other value, or I need to change value. Now activate this sheet, enter equal sign, then select this sheet for 2018, select this value, press Enter key. Format this value. Select this text box. Click on Format Pattern. Then click on this text box. Press Ctrl key and select this text box. Press mouse and drag from left to right. Then copy these two text box and paste here. For 2019, change the formula inside this text box. Select this cell reference, press Enter key. Format this value by using Format Painter. Next, I extract here revenue value for each year. So follow these steps as I perform here. Select these 3 text box, press Ctrl key, then select this text box, select this text box, click on copy, then click on paste, press mouse and drag at this position. Change the formula inside this text box, but first I make arrangement in this sheet. Select this sheet for revenue value. First make the cell references outside the pivot table. Enter equal sign, then select this cell reference. Enter equal sign, select this cell reference. Paste this value here, or change the cell reference of this cell reference. Enter equal sign, then select this cell reference. Select these 2 cell references. Click on currency. Then change the formula inside this text box. Select this cell reference, press enter key. Format this value, select this text box. Then click on this text box. Resize this text box. Then place up. Then press Ctrl key and select these 3 text box. Copy and paste these 3 text box at this position. Rename this text box 2019. Then change the formula inside this text box. Select this cell reference, press enter key. Format this text box by using Format Painter. I remove ratio symbol from this text box. Then I remove from this text box. Select this text box, press Ctrl key. Press mouse and drag from left to right. I also align these 2 text box. Press Ctrl key and select this text box. Click on Align Top. Then press Shift key and move from left to right. Click on Undo button and keep as it is. Then select these 2 text box and align these 2 text box. In this way, we can extract dynamically changeable values inside the text box. In the next video, I add here bar chart.